comparison of gene sequences in different species taken from a database using ClustalX. So we have reached this website. I can find out HBB gene, hemoglobin gene. So I have this HBB,
Yeah.
hemoglobin subunit beta, to study as example. I would scroll down. I would move to FASTA. And once I would move here, I would find this sequence. Now remember, there is a rule of using this sequence. Sometimes the students start copying the sequence from this ACATTGCTTC. No. If you want to put the data into the ClustalX, remember that you should be starting copying the sequence from here.
Okay.
From here, and you would like certainly copy it. Once you copy it, you minimize it and you create a notepad file. Remember, only notepad file is acceptable. So you just paste the same sequence here. Now this is the sequence from the Homo sapiens. Remember, this is
Yeah.
a sequence from the Homo sapiens. And we are about to compare the same gene sequence of the chimpanzee. So let's go back to this search bar. Now I would write pan troglodytes HBB. This is the scientific name of pan troglodytes is the scientific name and HBB is the gene. So first option HBB, you should remember that when you are trying to find out a gene, remember that you should be very well aware of the of reading the name carefully. Now they are mentioning hemoglobin subunit beta, pan troglodyte, chimpanzee. But very next gene of HBB that is available, you must be very careful while reading the name. It is Pongo abellae. That is the orangutan.
Okay.
So you must be very well aware that what you are comparing, what genes you are comparing, what organisms you are comparing. So let's click on the gene of the pan troglodytes and scroll down, go to FASTA. Now, this is the subunit beta of chimpanzee hemoglobin. I have copied it, Control C. Now I would get back to the notepad file. I would press enter. Now my writing cursor is down here. I would now paste it. Now it has been pasted now. So now I would save it. I have saved it. Let's rename the file. This is the file. So I would HBB genetic beta subunit genetic sequence of Homo and pan. Now I would move to this ClustalX. Now the ClustalX would be opened. It is open now. This is the main interface of the ClustalX. Now you have file, edit, assignment, trees, colors, quality, help, etc. First of all, you would go to the file. You would move to file, load sequences. You would go to load sequences. Now my file is located on desktop, so I would move to desktop over here. And this is HBB beta subunit genetic sequence of Homo and pan. So I would click on it. Now I have got the sequences. I can like increase the, this is the, I have increased the font over here. Now above here, I have that, I think, Homo sapiens, HBB subunit, and down here I have pan troglodyte HBB subunit genetic sequence. Now you can compare these.